Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our IELTS preparation class. Today, we are going to learn how to write a perfect IELTS academic writing task 1 answer for a line graph. Don't worry if you find graphs difficult. I will explain everything in a very simple and step-by-step way so you can easily score a high band. In this lesson, we will cover how to write the introduction, overview, body paragraphs, and conclusion, using a real example about the consumption of fish and different types of meat in a European country. So let's get started and learn how to write a band 7+ answer easily. First, we write the introduction by paraphrasing the question. Example: the line graph illustrates the consumption of fish and 3 different types of meat in a European country between 1979 and 2004. Use words like illustrates, shows, presents. Do not copy the question exactly. Next, we write the overview. This is the most important part. Example: overall, chicken consumption increased significantly, while beef and lamb decreased. In contrast, fish consumption remained stable. Do not include numbers. Just explain main trends. Now we describe the first 2 items, beef and lamb. Example explanation. At the beginning, beef was the most consumed at about 210 grams, followed by lamb at around 150 grams. Beef stayed stable at first, but lamb decreased sharply. After that, both declined steadily. By 2004, beef dropped to around 120 grams and lamb to about 70 grams. Use past tense. Use words like decreased, dropped, fell. Now we describe chicken and fish. Example explanation. Chicken consumption increased steadily from 150 grams in 1979. It surpassed beef in 1989 and reached a peak of 240 grams in 2002 before slightly decreasing. On the other hand, fish remained the least consumed and stayed stable at around 50 grams throughout the period. Use words like increased, peaked, remained stable. Compare when possible. That's all for the today. Subscribe Minglama channel for more IELTS Writing Task 1 questions with answers videos.